afternoon. We are Group 2. My name is John Daniel Maria.
My name is Jose Yasin.
My name is Kyle Siyul.
My name is Kim Caspajon.
My name is Manalem Duenas.
I'm John Rendel Oruneta.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa New Lower Bikutan para interviewin yung alumni from STI. So, we have Arthur today and sasagutin niya yung question natin. Arthur, paano ka nag-excel sa college in STI?
Well, then actually, hindi naging madali yung 4 years course or 4 years college sa pagiging STI since mga STI kasi very mataas yung standard nila pag sa student. However, I learned the forces of the STI. And as STIer, we always respect each other and develop our character. And the second is we learned how to think critically. And the third one is that we learn as well to be effective communicator with the group mates and classmates. Tulad yan ng sinabi kong prof ko dati, katulad ni Sheffy, ang pinaka-tumatak lang sa amin is no matter what the activity is or the TP is walang madali sa isang bagay kung hindi pagtutulungan. So, ayun, siguro ang nag-excel ako sa pagiging college is yung pag-a-apply ng values ng STI, katulad nga ng nabanggit ko.
So, thank you, Arthur.
I'm here at Taguig City and I'm here to interview one of the alumni STI College Global City.
So, hi, I'm Shahara Salamat and I graduated with a bachelor degree of Business Administration, major in Operation Management.
My question, why is it important to prepare for the future as a college student?
As a college student, being prepared for the future is a kind of challenge for you, like you as a fresh college or a freshman. So for me, being prepared for the future is like hard for you. Then kailangan itong take ng course is kayo, settled na or okay na sa inyo and hindi yung like mag-shift kayo kasi hindi nyo gusto. Dapat if you're choosing your course, kasi yung course niyo kasi is magiging guide ninyo or basis ninyo kung paano nyo hahanap ng future. So,
My second question, what was your self-care routine during your college day and how effective was it?
self-care. I admit being a college student is a kind of stressful. So, in order for you to like maintain yourself as a college student is like be physically fit. Isa yan sa pinaka-importante sa mga student na iwas sa sakit. Kasi when you're sick, hindi ka makakapag-focus sa study mo. And stress-free. Yung wag masyadong stress yung sarili mo with over something or some activity na hindi naman dapat kinai-stressan. And other thing is, yeah, just balance your life and your academics. Just enjoy it. Yun lang, isipin mo lang na like being in a college is kind of challenge na kaya mong nagpasan.
My third question, describe a challenging problem you faced during your college year and how you overcome it.
Challenges, actually a lot. Especially kapag maraming activities and sumasabay yung personal problem mo. So, it's kind of hard to deal with and yan yung pinaka-challenge siguro sa akin na alam mo yung sumasabay yung activity mo or yung academics mo sa problema mo sa like personally. So, it's kind of stressful and I did experience being in a depression that time. And yeah, na-overcome ko naman yun dahil sa help with friends na magte-take ka ng advice. Wag mong yung kung ano man magiging problema mo, wag mong kimkimin. Ipalabas mo. Like, talk to your parents, talk to your relatives, talk to your friends, or talk to your loved ones. Ilabas mo sa kanila, ask for advice, and yun, ma-overcome mo din naman yun. Basta, isipin mo na lang na lahat ng na-face mong challenges is just a challenge na mayroong solution. So, it's up to you na lang kung gusto mong ma-stay doon sa ano na yung problema na yun, or kung gusto mo malagpasan yun. Pero for me, as an advice sa inyo na mga freshmen na college student pala, laban lang. Like, wag kayong magpapatalo sa kahit anong problema. Isipin ninyo na kaya ko to, magiging successful ako, makakapagtapos ako. Kasi, sa college kasi is hindi pa yan yung totoong laban niyo eh. Hindi pa yan yung totoong laban niyo, trial niyo pa lang yan. Once na nakapagtapos kayo sa real world, yan na yung totoong laban niyo. So, yun, just laban lang and go for the future.
Ayun lang, maraming salamat.